The alto saxophone delivers student-friendly performance through professional brass construction, enabling excellent acoustic quality and intonation stability throughout beginner to intermediate skill development. The black and nickel color combination provides classic aesthetics coordinating with diverse musical environments. The comprehensive 10-reed package accommodates embouchure variation and reed strength preferences, enabling customization. The hard-shell carrying case protects instrument and accommodates portable transportation between practice locations. We share by links in description box. The complete care kit including mouthpiece, neck strap, tuner, grease, cleaning cloth, rod, gloves, and lesson book provides comprehensive support for music education and performance. The large bore design enables rich projection and full-bodied tones suitable for ensemble performance. The F-sharp key expands upper register accessibility, enabling progressive skill development. The ribbed construction enhances durability and structural integrity. The lead-free soldering ensures safety and long-term performance reliability. The tuner inclusion facilitates intonation development and accuracy improvement. The lesson book provides structured educational guidance supporting rapid skill acquisition. The excellent 8.8 out of 10 customer rating demonstrates consistent satisfaction and real-world performance reliability. The outstanding value combining professional construction, comprehensive 10-reed variety, complete care kit, tuner, and lesson book establishes the saxophone as exceptional choice for beginning musicians.